Okay, so here's my HO scale fleet. We have chassis system number 7071. His name is going to be Chester for my series called HO scale. We have Santa Fe EM number 271, another EMDF7. He's going to be named Alan for the same series. And then we have Santa Fe 3560, my favorite of them all so far. Just because it's something I've never owned, a high hood. I don't know his name yet, but I will try to name it. And here's one that doesn't run. He's gonna be like this through the whole first 5 episodes until he gets restored in the 5th and 6th one. Finally comes back in the 7th one. So yeah, I don't know his name either. Yeah. This guy needs some work, a little bit of work to make him operational. But I don't think I know what his name is. He's Santa Fe 5028. An AHM Sealiner. And boy did he work good when I first had him. I don't know his name yet. Here is 7076. And from the look of him, he might not run. Or you might not think he runs, but boy does he. He is. I bought him for $11, so yeah. I got what I paid for. He ain't that good of a looker, but he sure does run. He is also going to get restored. And here is my only Steamy, which should change one day. I don't know his name yet, but yeah, I got the tender somewhere else. I gotta find somewhere to get him cleaned up. He is just all the running, all the accidental. I am not that good at oiling this, giving them smoke fluid. So yeah, he's got a lot of smoke fluid. It's gotten better since I've had him, but. And that is all my collection. I should be getting this one's number is 4433. And this one is I can't find it. 7600, I think. Yeah, 7600. If I can find all his wheels, he should run. And that's it. I'll make another collection video when I get at least 5 more trains. See you guys next time.